This is a quick intro to how health and illness communities use Web 2.0. Most of today's lecture is going to be primarily focused on a particular online forum. It's quite unique in how it operates. Before we go into the specifics of that one, I'm just going to highlight a few of the different types of online communities that exist. I'll be using, for the purposes of this discussion, type 1 diabetes, which is sort of my research area. So there's a whole heap of different online communities that exist in relation to type 1 diabetes. So here's as an example, we've got Reddit here with 17,500 members, and you are probably already familiar with Reddit from your own sorts of interests, but just to highlight that people are using forums like Reddit to discuss a whole heap of things in relation to specific experiences of disease. And a major part of online communities, the diabetes online community, is the meme, which of course is sort of like the form of humour that's really developed in the digital era. Then you get specialist forums. This one's called TU Diabetes. I think it's the name's of Spanish origin, and again thousands of members and a vast range of things that you can post on. You have to sign up and log in. You can view posts, so I'm not currently logged in at all, as you can see, but in order to respond to posts or anything like that, you need to be able to log in. And just one other example here, CGM in the cloud. You'll learn more about this in a few weeks' time, but this is a Facebook support group. It's about 32,000 people in this particular one. My cat's come to join us, and there are national iterations of CGM in the cloud, or language-based versions of CGM in the cloud, also with thousands and thousands of members. So that's just to highlight these are quite readily available. People in particular communities with a particular disease or condition choosing to use these very popular online platforms, various forms of social media, to interact with other people with the same condition.